Power Solution Industries in the United Arab Emirates is a leading manufacturer of cable support and cable management systems in the whole of Middle East. With its operational headquarters in Dubai and manufacturing units at Riyadh in Saudi Arabia and Ajman in UAE, PSI is equipped with the latest computer numeric controlled machines. The two-decade-old company has developed as a major manufacturer of cable support and cable management systems and is now in the process of manufacturing a wide range of new products. The ISO 9001-2008 certified company manufactures cable trays, cable ladders, cable trunkins, and strut metal framing systems as per the British and American standards, which are comparable to the world-renowned brands. Though the PSI has developed as a major manufacturer of cable support and cable management systems in the whole of Gulf region, the company's prime objective has always been to produce high-end products. The desire to perform at the highest level and to constantly innovate new designs has forced the PSI to take an active part in the supply of systems developed to meet the demanding needs of the different types of infrastructure. Excellence in engineering is the primary philosophy that drives all the activities of the power solution industries, with a lot of efficiency and excellence in its engineering designs. With an excellent team of engineers and professionals who keep up to the highest standards of services and production, the PSI's brand of cable support and cable management systems are approved and accepted by all leading specified consultants and contractors across the Middle East. As the developing economy in the region has been bringing forth new challenges, the company has always positioned itself to meet the new challenges with a lot of efficiency and excellence in its engineering designs. The company has achieved various landmarks in its field because of an excellent teamwork of well-qualified engineers and professionals who are nourished and nurtured by creative and effective thoughts. The company considers its manpower as one of the major strengths and a strong pillar to its future business foundation. Once the raw material is perforated and formed in different shapes, all the products are manufactured in a variety of finishes to protect against corrosion. The products are also painted for additional protection against corrosion. Once painted for additional protection, the products undergo a rigorous quality check by a team of highly qualified professionals. After the quality check, the products are packed and dispatched to the respective clients. With an ever-efficient and qualified team of engineers and professionals, the PSI provides world-class services to its clients in terms of product design, quality and unmatched delivery schedules. Team PSI's strong partnership with its clients is beyond just a customer and supplier relationship. The PSI's cable management systems have been installed in more than 450 projects all across the Gulf region, be it Armani Hotel in the world's tallest Burj Khalifa building, extension of the Holy Mosque in Mecca, Qatar Dolphin Gas Project, industrial oil fields and petroleum sector, the red and green lines of Dubai Metro. The PSI cable management systems have become part of all the mega projects in the whole of the Gulf region.
Excellence in engineering is our motto and is the primary philosophy that drives all PSI activities. With years of experience in manufacturing and supplying to the Gulf market, PSI has earned its reputation as a quality conscious and professionally managed organisation.
The power solution industries, through its cable management system, has immensely contributed to the development of the glowing skyline of the whole of UAE and will continue to contribute to the overall development of the whole of Gulf region.